Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we start this video, please subscribe our channel if you have not done it and press the bell icon for the notifications. In the previous video, we learned about the formatting tables. In this video, I am going to teach you about the illustrations group under the Insert tab. So let's start that. As you can see, I have opened the blank document over here. Click on the Insert tab and then as you can see here, illustrations group are here. First option is your pictures, which is insert the pictures from your computer or stock image library or online sources. So click on that and I am going to select this device and I will select this picture over here and then insert it. As you can see, after inserting picture, one more tab is here, which is the Format tab, in which remove background, corrections, that means adjust group, picture size group, accessibility group, arrange group and size group is there. About this I am going to teach you later on. Moving forward, in illustrations group, there is shape. What does it do? It inserts the ready-made shapes such as circles, squares and arrows. So click on the drop down arrow and as you can see, these are the recently used shapes. These are the lines. These are the basic shapes, block arrows, flow charts, call outs, stars and banner or new drawing canvas. I am going to click on one of the shape. So let us take arrow quad, go down, click and drag it. If you want it in a perfect shape, press shift key and then drag it, right? So this is how you insert a shape. Once you insert a shape, format tab will be opened and from format tab you will have the insert shapes again, then shape styles, shadow effects, 3D effects, arrangement and the size. So first we'll go for the shape styles. So from here you can select the shape fill and the outline of the shape. Let us take this one. So did you see that? If you want to change color of shape outline, click on the shape outline and then take the color and fill color. If you want to fill it with different color, select the fill color and click here, right? So this is how you change the shape styles. One more is that change the shape. Suppose you want to replace that shape. So what you have to do, click change shape and then write this. Select any shape and your shape will be changed from the previous one. Next is a shadow effect. So shadow effect, click drop down arrow and this many shadows are there. I will give you one demo only. So click on any of this style. Here I am selecting this shadow style 5 and as you can see it's not that visible. So I will click again and then shadow color and then I am going to change it to the brighter color or darker color so that you can see that. Okay, so did you see that? And this is your nudge shadow up. This is your nudge shadow right. This is your nudge shadow down, which will move the shadow down and this will move your shadow to the left side. So I am going to click on the right side. So as you can see, so this is how you use your shadow effects. Now 3D effects. Click on the drop down arrow and select any one of the 3D effect. I am going to select this effect and here they have given the option of tilting the effect. So tilt the shape backward. This is for right side. This is for downward or forward and this is for left side. So I am going to go for the right side. So did you see that? It will move your shape to the right side. It will tilt your shape to the right side. Then we are having the position option under the arrange group, which choose where the selected object will appear on the stage. So select the drop down arrow and I will place it at the center. So if you have observed, it overcome the previous image, right? So which is not good. So I am going to select the position in bottom center with square text wrapping. So did you see that? It came down. Then it's a wrap text. In line with text, square, tight, through, top and bottom, behind the text, in front of the text, edit wrap points, move with text, fix position on page, and more layout options. So here I am going to type something so that you can have the clear idea of that. I have written the Nirja Education 7 times and you can see that shape I have inserted and I kept it over here. And it is not looking good as you can see. So for that we are going to select the wrap text. So if I select in line with, it will come as it is. If I select in square, so did you see from the bottom side Nirja Education went upside. Then if I go for this tight one, did you see the changes, right? Top and bottom, behind the text. So did you see here I have written the text and behind that my shape is there like this. Next is your in front of the text. It will move your shape in front of the text. Then edit wrap fonts. So did you see your text will be wrapped around your shape. So this was about wrapping the text. Then next is bring forward. Let's see how does it work. Insert one more shape. Fill the color, right? Select the object and then click bring forward. Did you see that? Then select the object again and send backward, right? So this is how you arrange your shape. Selection pane, with the help of which you can see that how many selections you have done. So display the selection pane and see a list of all your objects. Then the alignments, align left, center, right, top, middle, bottom, horizontally, vertically, align to page, align to margin. So let's select the shape and then go for the alignment. If I go for left, did you see? If I go for the distribute horizontally, so this way this alignment works. Then next up we are having the rotation. Click on the drop down arrow, rotate 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, it will be as it is, flip vertically and flip horizontally. So this way you can change the rotation of your shape. If you want to go for degrees which is not displayed over here, so more rotation options, and from that you can increase or decrease the rotation degree. So I am going to give you here 30 degree. So did you see that? This is how the rotation works. Next up we are having this size. So you can increase or decrease the size. So see the difference in the shape. This is vertically and this is horizontally. So this was your format tab for the shapes. From the insert tab you can insert so many shapes as you can see over here and do so many activities by using it. So this was about your shapes tool under insert tab. For more videos please stay tuned with Nirja Education and keep learning with it.